Kasey lifted the mainsail, I had this feeling in my gut. The conditions were already rough, and we were heading straight into it. Then, high fevers, body aches, and the boys were completely drained. That's when I realized it wasn't seasickness. Welcome back to Finding Our Isla. If you're new here, we're a family of 6 learning to sail while adventuring through the Caribbean. In this episode, we leave Bequia and battle our way through the Caribbean Christmas winds to our final destination of the Pitons. We left Bequia early in the morning and began our sail north. As we sailed along the coastline of Saint Vincent, we were given a little protection from the winds and rough seas, which was so nice. The calmer weather gave Kasey and Ashton an opportunity to fix the genoa cars. With the winds putting heavy pressure on the sails, the genoa cars were taking a beating. And since they help control the position and the tension of our front sail, we knew we needed to fix them before the damage got worse.
Good.
Captain Kasey, we got all the men up here. All right, what's our speed? Right. It's a beautiful day, though. The water is so calm today.
Still pulling it down.
This is the island where they filmed the Pirates of the Caribbean.
Still pulling it down.
We didn't stop here. We're making our way towards Pitons today. Well, we knew we wouldn't have glass seas forever. So here we are, coming around the tip. How we doing, guys? Good morning! Our sail is up. Woo! I don't love that it's right there. into the storm, in order to take the sails down, we are not going to beat it and get protection there. So we're gonna have to sit through this storm and it's gonna be just fine. We are being tested in every way possible. We have rain now, and we are so close to our destination. So we're probably going to ride out this storm. Hey, crew. We're just trying to go there. Again, we still don't have steering, so we're just probably gonna wait this one out too. We're gonna hold off on trying to connect to the mooring ball just until the storm passes. Since we're out here, we're not near anything, got good control of the boat. It's gonna be a little bit challenging to manually steer the rudder while we get in there, so we're hoping that we can just wait out this quick storm to pass over and then go connect. Just weathered a storm. Getting ready to find a mooring there. We finally caught sight of the Pitons, rising dramatically out of the ocean. The Pitons are two volcanic spires located on the island of St. Lucia. And honestly, they almost don't look real. They are some of the most iconic landmarks in the entire Caribbean. And for sailors, arriving here feels really special, especially after fighting through rough seas and strong winds. Seeing them appear on the horizon felt like a huge reward. For days, something just felt off with the boys. I kept telling myself that it was seasickness, but then came the fevers. It was low grade at first until suddenly they weren't. 103 plus fevers, body aches, and exhaustion. Laying between them through the nights, rotating ice packs and trying to keep the fevers down. Then we heard about the dengue outbreaks, and it all made sense. Dengue fever is a mosquito-borne virus that's common in tropical areas, including parts of the Caribbean. It can cause extremely high fevers, intense body aches, headaches, exhaustion, nausea, and severe fatigue that can last for days and sometimes even weeks. For us, the next 2 weeks, the boys focused on recovering. Lots of rest, lots of fluids, and trying to keep their fevers under control. Their energy was completely drained. As parents, it was hard watching them go through it while being so far from what felt familiar. But slowly, day by day, they started getting stronger again. While the boys were recovering from dengue, we started taking things slowly. We took turns staying back on the boat, checking in on who was feeling up for what. And everything slowed down for a little while. But in between recovery and rest, we were still able to explore the incredible beauty of the Pitons. And honestly, the snorkeling here became some of my favorite that we've experienced so far. The water was crystal clear, filled with colorful reef fish and dramatic underwater landscapes right beneath those towering volcanic peaks.
Give me a lily. Let's go under it. Let's go under it.
at the...
He bought like 17
market.
passions fruit
Sounded good at the
just
time.
for him.
Open it up. There's probably a better way to do this.
But I just cut them in half.
And then yeah. This one's good.
Yeah, right.
It is. You want some?
Yeah, I want to try some.
This stretch of the journey tested us in ways we never expected. From rough seas and boat repairs to watching the boys battle dengue fever. But even in those hard moments, we're learning something really important. Life isn't about perfect conditions. It's about adapting, slowing down, and leaning on each other through it all. Thanks so much for coming along with us. If you're enjoying following our journey, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode.